Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make calls from HubSpot. First, you need to set up your calling preferences. You can choose to use a HubSpot-provided phone number, register your existing outbound number, or integrate a third-party calling service. Navigate to your HubSpot settings, then find the calling section. Here, you can configure your phone numbers, set your working hours, and customize voicemail messages for a seamless experience. Once your setup is complete, initiating a call is straightforward. You can easily start a call directly from a contact's record within your HubSpot CRM. Simply navigate to the contact, then click the phone icon next to their number. A small call window will appear, allowing you to select which number you are calling from. You can then choose to make the call using your computer's browser or your personal phone. During your call, HubSpot offers several helpful features. You can easily record the conversation by clicking a button, remembering to comply with any local consent requirements. It is also simple to take notes in real time, which automatically save to the contact's record for future reference. For paid plans, Conversation Intelligence can even transcribe and analyze your calls, providing valuable insights into your discussions. After your call concludes, HubSpot automatically logs all details to the contact's timeline, including duration and participants. You can easily review call recordings and their transcripts within the Calls section of your CRM. These activities can also be associated with other records, such as companies or deals, providing comprehensive context. This streamlined process helps you track communication effectively, analyze performance, and continuously refine your sales and service strategies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.